Now I can't tell. I switched I don't know. Cool thing about filming on the GoPro is the battery just lives forever. I haven't turned this thing on in forever. And MJ's had enough. He heard me talking to a camera and he left. What is up, YouTube? We back. It's been a minute. Vlog. I just get so lazy. I'm sorry. Yeah, I just get so lazy. But hey, when I unboxed my Samsung it's computer monitor slash TV slash it does everything, that got a decent amount of views. So we're back with another episode, and it's another tech unboxing. Oh my god, it's really not anything cool. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we got the GoPro's just like, dude, bro. We got the Pro HD webcam, the Logitech, and I got this because I'm doing a lot of Zoom stuff. I knew I would forget this during the video. Shout out Manscaped, Lawnmower 4.0. I really have no obligation for this, but shout out them. That's fire. It's tough. I mean, look at it. It just looks tough. Hold on. I might want to open this. Actually, the packaging is just fire, okay? That's all you need to see. Do your research. Go cop. You know, get your private area right. Back to the video. Lately. Yeah, so I'm doing a lot of Zoom stuff. So I'm like, I might just want to get a little webcam or something. Or, yeah. And also, this is a good video to also say, I want to get into maybe streaming some stuff on the PlayStation. I feel like I'm hilarious when I play video games. So with that being said, I'm going to, stream just me playing. Just because, yeah, nothing better to do. Honestly, I am lame. Just laying ya on the PlayStation. Makes sense. So annoying. Everything with this MacBook Pro. I think it's 2019. I don't know what year this is. But it just has 2 USB-C ports, so you can't plug anything in. So you need this freaking dongle for every freaking thing. I don't know if we want to talk about it. So, I just want to show you guys how this webcam looks. I'm kind of confused on how it's going to sit. I'm going to put it on this massive TV computer screen thing at the top of that when I do stream or anything. But for now, I just want to set it on the MacBook and we'll see how this looks. Also, are you guys like obsessed with the Yeezy Slide? Because I feel like every time I get any pairs of these, like people just go nuts. And it's like, why? They are so ugly. These are really comfortable. If you haven't tried a pair on, it's next level. And like I have like designer slides that are not comfortable. They're just Gucci. So Yeezy slides are better in that way, but they are very ugly. So I don't understand why people like them so much. But I say this, and I also just bought the gel versions, the orange ones. And yeah, anybody who wears those is truly an idiot. So that would be me. Okay. I think I have this. Oh, there's like 20 different things that pop out of it to make it like, stay. Oh, that's cool. I like it. Hey, that's really cool. Let me open up Zoom to see what it looked like, actually. I look beautiful. I look beautiful. Are you joking? God, that webcam is freaking butter, bro. I don't know who's in the market for a webcam, but good lord, this thing looks freaking good. Hey, I'm so sorry. But yeah, I just look immaculate. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys have ever seen a tech review like this, but good lord. I need this in the gym, like while I'm going crazy. Whoa. right, I'm done. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, so we just got that webcam. I really like it. I don't know if you needed a tech review on it. I'm pretty sure there's probably a trillion, because that's not even very expensive. I think it was like $70 at Best Buy. So with that being said, a great bargain webcam. Gonna use it to stream. Gonna use it for Zoom. It's just perfect. Oh my God. And it it auto focuses and everything. All right. I'm truly, I'm sorry. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to get the vlog back going. Me and my mans wanted to vlog for y'all, but we just get lazy. But we're gonna come back. Let me know if anything specifically you guys want to see. You guys just want to see kind of like just a random day in the life. You guys going to see more stuff business related. Do you guys want to hear future business plans? Just let me know, and we'll bring you the content. Go follow the car channel, Mark Kicks and Whips. Not a ton of content on there, but there should be some. I think we're doing some things to the Camaro pretty soon. So yeah, so just stay tuned. We trying to be in the building. I don't know if we really are for real. God, I love this webcam. I just had to turn back around and see it. Wow. Incredible. Yeah. I'm supposed to talk to some kids soon on Zoom. They're going to be like, bro, this dude is crazy. Yeah, because that thing is beautiful. All right. We'll catch y'all on the next one, though. Stay tuned.